What if you could make money even while you're sleeping? In 2025, it's not just possible, it's easier than ever. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful passive income ideas you can start right now with little to no investment. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven methods that work if you take action. And the best part? Most of them can be done online, from anywhere in the world. First up, AI-generated content. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva, you can create ebooks, templates, stock images, or digital art. For example, you could design a 50-page productivity planner in Canva and sell it on Etsy for $10 each. If you sell just 100 copies a month, that's $1,000 in passive income, and the work is done once. Second, print on demand. Use free design tools to create t-shirt graphics, mugs, or posters. Then upload them to platforms like Printify, Teespring, or Redbubble. Every time someone buys your design, the company prints, packs, and ships it for you. Some designers make thousands a month just by selling clever or funny t-shirt quotes. Third, dividend stocks. By investing in companies that pay quarterly dividends, you can receive regular income without selling your shares. For example, if you own 100 shares of a company paying $2 per share annually, that's $200 every year, without lifting a finger. Apps like GrowValue, Zerodha, or Robinhood make it easy to start with, as little as $500 or $10. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Promote products you use and love, and earn a commission for every sale. You can do this through blogs, YouTube videos, or even Instagram posts. For example, if you recommend a $100 software and earn a 30% commission, that's $30 every time someone buys through your link. Sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact Radius are great places to start. Fifth, online courses. If you have a skill, from coding to cooking, record lessons once and sell them forever. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable handle all the technical stuff. Imagine making a 3-hour course on beginner graphic design and earning $500 a month from people who keep enrolling. Sixth, renting digital assets. This means creating valuable online real estate, like a website for local businesses, and renting it out for a monthly fee. For example, a plumber might pay you $200 a month to rent a website that sends them leads. You could also buy catchy domain names and rent or sell them for a profit later. Seventh, YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. Create videos using stock footage, voiceovers, and AI scripts. Once monetized, your videos can bring in ad revenue for years. Some channels earn thousands of dollars a month with videos they made years ago. To recap, AI-generated content, print on demand, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, online courses, renting digital assets, and YouTube automation. Each of these can bring in income while you focus on other things. The secret is not to try all of them at once. Start with just one. Put in consistent effort for a few months and watch it grow. Which passive income method are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know.